You know, the older generation, they feel a sense of formality between themselves and their children. So they don't really openly talk about marriage or liking a girl or liking a boy or considering somebody. These are not the kinds of things you talk to your mother about or your father about, especially if you're from Pakistan. You don't talk about this. Unless you want to die. Like, you don't, like, I don't care if you're 25 years old. I don't care. You're going to be scared to talk to your mom about marriage. It's just a thing. Our mothers do this number on us, and it works on these guys. You know, they're terrified. And so today I want to just share some realities with you through first a case study. I want to give you 2 case studies, inshallah. And then after that, I want to give some advice to parents and some advice to the young people who are of the age to get married. Can you make some noise if you're of the age to get married? All right, very good. So you're around. Okay. Uncle, why did you make... I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay, so the first case study. This young man calls me and he says, Brother Nouman, I have a problem. I said, what's her name? And he said, how'd you know? I said, you're calling me. I mean, I know. Just tell me. Well, her name is, I'm not going to say her name, of course. So she says her name. And I was like, so how long has it been? A couple of years. So what's the problem? Well, I really want to marry her, but I'm not ready. And I think she's starting to get marriage proposals. Okay, well, why don't you talk to your parents so they can talk to hers? Well, I actually first asked him, why don't you talk to her parents? And he said, I can't do that. I can't talk to her parents. I was like, okay, why don't you talk to your own parents? What? They would kill me. Okay, I think I have your solution. Go down to the local pharmacy. Buy yourself some Similac in a baby bottle. Mix it well when you pour it in, 2 teaspoons. Mix it with warm water, mix it well. Find an empty corner in your house, face the wall, and suck on it until you become a man. So... and then you can tell your parents and her parents. But on a more serious note, we have created a culture, unfortunately, we're part of a culture where this conversation has been taboo for a long time. You cannot talk to your parents about your preferences in marriage. It's badtamizi. It's just disrespectful, it's inappropriate, it's wrong. And you know what? It is absolutely, absolutely necessary today. And if your parents are going to be shocked by it, then you know what? You need to tell it to them every day until they stop being shocked. Mom, I want to get married. Mom, I want to get married. Mama, she'll do that for the first 50, 60 times until she realizes you are in fact 27 years old. And you need to, because there's the other thing, right? Not until you finish this degree, then that degree, then that degree. And a lot of our daughters were pushed into high education because they were told by many of their parents, the only way you're gonna, you know, marriage, I don't know if it's gonna work out or not, but you need to have a backup plan, girl.